Hey traders, welcome to the Click Weekly Market Recap. We've kicked off Q3 with strong moves in equities, glittering gold, and a bullish run in crude oil. Here's what drove the markets this week and what you should be watching next. Let's start with equities. The Dow Jones surged 1.46%, the S&P 500 gained 0.97%, and the Nasdaq rose 0.68%. Why? US economic data came in stronger than expected. ISM manufacturing showed expansion and consumer spending remained firm. That kept confidence high even as traders scaled back bets on rate cuts. Fed minutes released this week showed a split in tone. Some members are still worried about inflation, while others hinted at a more cautious approach. The Bank of England leaned data-dependent after soft UK retail numbers, and the ECB stayed silent ahead of its July meeting, leaving the euro to drift on dollar flows. Oil rose 2.07% on strong US summer travel demand and steady OPEC output. But don't get too comfortable. China's slowing factory output is keeping traders cautious near the $67 mark. Gold had a standout week, closing at $3,346.50, up nearly 2%. Why? Bond yields dipped and geopolitical jitters, like the Russia-Ukraine border tensions, resurfaced. It's a classic safe haven play ahead of next week's Fed updates. Bitcoin climbed to over $109,000, supported by speculation around ETF inflows and stable inflation data. While macro headlines were quiet, crypto held its ground, showing buyers are still active above $105,000. Here's what smart traders noticed this week. Oil, gold, and stocks moved on clear narratives. Don't react, predict. Midweek volume dropped. Manage your stops wisely during summer sessions. Bitcoin and gold gave textbook structure setups. Were you ready? Here's what's on the radar. Monday, July 8th, US ISM Services Index. Wednesday, July 10th, FOMC meeting minutes. Friday, July 12th, China CPI and PPI. All week, US bank earnings kick off Q3 season. If this recap helped you make sense of the week, give us a like, share it with a trader friend, and subscribe for more structured insight every week. Remember, markets aren't noisy, they're structured. It's your job to stay sharp. Trade smart, trade click.